By the end of the video, you will know about effective strategies to get skinny and lose belly fat. Achieving a leaner physique and reducing abdominal fat requires a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. Let's dive into the details and discover how you can transform your body and boost your overall health. 1. Balanced diet. The foundation of any successful weight loss journey is a balanced diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Avoid sugary drinks, excessive carbs, and high-fat foods. Tip: aim to create a calorie deficit by consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. This can be achieved by monitoring portion sizes and choosing healthier alternatives. 2. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for losing belly fat and getting skinny. Combine cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming with strength training exercises to build muscle and burn fat. Cardio: engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of high-intensity cardio per week. Strength training: include exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and weightlifting in your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. 1 second lesson: maximize gains with Dymatize, ISO 100, and Optimum Nutrition, Gold Standard Whey, gluten-free, high-protein blend for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for overall health and can aid in weight loss. Water helps to boost your metabolism, cleanse your body of waste, and acts as an appetite suppressant. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a vital role in weight management. Poor sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase your appetite, making it harder to lose weight. Aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep each night. 5. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to weight gain, particularly around the belly area, due to the release of cortisol, a stress hormone. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga. Conclusion: losing belly fat and getting skinny requires dedication, consistency, and patience. By following a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and managing stress, you can achieve your fitness goals. Remember, it's not just about looking good, but also about feeling healthy and strong. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to a healthier you.